Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can build highly converting product pages for your new product tests within few clicks of the button with this very cool AI tool. So if you're ready, let's get started. Welcome back guys, and for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝗧𝗂𝗰𝗵, and since day one of my dropshipping journey, I have been documenting everything that I've been through here on this YouTube channel with 100% transparency. Now, I have shown you how I lost over $18,000 when trying to find the first winning product, then generating over $192,000 in sales, and I'm basically just spilling my entire knowledge in my videos completely for free. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and please like this video to help me push this YouTube channel to more people and help me grow. But now, let's go back to the topic of this video. Now, obviously, if you are into dropshipping, then you know very well that the number one thing you have to be doing consistently on weekly, if not daily basis, is test new products, because that's the only way for you to actually find your first, second, third winner and start making money. Now, when you're first starting, it's very exciting. So creating new stores, creating new product pages, new video ads, it's not that big of the deal, right? You like it, you enjoy it, but as you start testing more and more, you keep testing 5, 7, 10 plus products, eventually you get tired. You don't want to do this anymore. You don't want to sit in front of your computer again and just, think about how should I design this page. Especially that we all know that we should be working with one product stores, not general stores when testing products. And if you're wondering why, then about 11 months ago, I recorded a video, this one right here, where I did a real life test comparing one product store versus general store to see which one would perform better results, which one would actually bring in more money. And in this test, I used the same product, same ads, and even the same product page design. The only difference was that when you go to homepage of both stores, one is actual branded store and the second one was general store. And guess what? One product store outperformed the general store by 100 times. So one product store actually generated healthy profits while general store lost money. But go ahead and watch that video later on to get better idea of what I did. So having that in mind, that you need to be creating new stores, or maybe not even creating new stores, but redesigning your store every single time you're testing new product, that's quite of a headache. Luckily, I recently found out about this one AI tool which helps you to create highly converting and very good quality product pages with images, text, and everything within few clicks of the button. All you have to do is grab the link of the AliExpress product that you want to test, paste it in this tool, and it's going to basically create the entire page inside of your store in a few seconds time. Now, let's jump into my computer, let's talk about this tool, and let's go step by step on creating brand new page for a new product, which I'll probably test in the next video. So, the first thing I want to say is that for the purpose of this video, I have created this store. This is just a store that I literally created today. It's nothing special, it's just for the purpose of this video. Now, I decided to go with jewelry niche. This was one of the first niches that I started with that actually started bringing in sales for me. Not profitable sales, but I was breaking even. So I do have a sentiment to that niche. So let's go ahead with that niche. So the next thing we need to do is obviously find the product that we actually want to test. Now, I don't want to spend too much time on finding the right product, but I'm going to give you some points of how I would go about finding the right product to test. So now, the first thing that I know is that I want to start selling products within jewelry niche, right? The next step I would do is I would head to TikTok Creative Center, as you can see on the screen, go to inspiration and then top products. When you go here, it's going to show you top products right now trending on TikTok, right? Now, the first thing I do is I make sure that I select all regions here and then select my niche that I'm interested in right here, and then leave it as the last 7 days. And now this is going to show me what type of products or general product types are right now trending on TikTok. Now, if you take a look at the popularity, this means how many advertisers are running ads for this product group at this very moment. And as you can see, the artificial gemstones rings are very popular. There's 435 advertisers running ads for gemstone rings right now. And if you dig deeper into the data, you can see that, for example, the conversion rate for those ads is very, very high, 42%, which is crazy. Bear in mind the conversion rate means add to carts, maybe viewing the shop, so clicking, link clicks, and obviously purchases as well. It's a combination of many different objectives that all of those people are using in their ads. Cost per acquisition is only $3.86, so that's really good. And in the last 7 days, advertisers spent combined $40,000 running ads to those type of products. So that tells me this is very hot right now on TikTok, right? Now, you might think that, okay, this is what I want to promote as well. However, if you really think about it, there's 435 other advertisers running ads to promote gemstone rings. So that's pretty competitive, right? So I would prefer to narrow it down a little bit to have less competition, but find something that is trending right now as well. And after looking at this data, I can see that artificial gemstone jewelry sets are doing pretty good in the last 7 days. There's only 28 advertisers running ads for jewelry sets, gemstone jewelry sets, but in the last 7 days, 73% more advertisers started promoting this type of product, which tells me there's an uptrend of people coming in and probably dropshippers coming in selling jewelry sets. Maybe because we're approaching Christmas, right? And this is a good present for Christmas. The click-through rate is very high, 2.23% as compared to 0.87 for the top gemstone rings, right? So that's a good sign. The cost per acquisition is lower. Conversion rate is lower as well, but still very high, 11%. And in the last 7 days, advertisers spent only $228 promoting jewelry sets. So that's not a lot, but maybe they are just testing, right? I would be inclined to try and basically sell jewelry sets at this point, because clearly this is indicating that there is a demand on this. The people are trying to sell it, people are clicking on the ads, people are converting. So this tells me, people are interested in gemstone jewelry sets. Okay, so I have that knowledge. So the next thing that I'm doing is I'm going to AliExpress and I'm just trying to find good gemstone jewelry sets. And I've already found one. But just to give you an example of how I would do that is I would put a keywords here related to the products I want to sell and then just scroll through to see if I can find products that look good, have somewhat of a wow factor, but also that sold in healthy amounts. Like here, 700 plus sold, right? Which tells me that people like this product. Otherwise, there would not be 700 other people buying this product, right? So that's a good sign. But let's keep scrolling and then maybe we'll find something even better, right? And remember, we're looking for sets, not just a necklace, not just a bracelet, but actual set. So keep going. Here, another one, 600 plus sold, and this looks pretty nice as well. And just basically scroll and see what you can find. Good thing is to use a tool called Ali Insider, which shows you how many of a given product is actually being sold every single month and how much revenue this given product is generating. Unfortunately, the Ali Insider isn't always working, so it isn't always showing you the data. Like right now, I don't see the data. Usually I have this little icon here with looking just like this, and when you click on this, it will pop up the entire analytics page. We're not so lucky right now, which is fine. Nevertheless, before making this video, I found this jewelry set, which again sold in over 700 times, and from 85 different reviews, it has 4.7 stars, which tells me it's a good quality product as well. And that combined, is a good reason to try and test this product ourselves. So that's exactly what we're going to do. This is the product we're going to list in our store. So now, what is the tool I was talking about? The tool I was talking about is called Page Pilot. And I've already have an account with Page Pilot, but basically Page Pilot helps you to like I said, within few clicks of the button, create highly converting product pages in your store. They are offering 3 days free trial, so you can get started for 3 days completely for free, test it out and see if you like it. Now, after 3 days, they have 3 different plans: light plan, starter, and scaler plan. Now, if you're just getting started and you don't have your winner just yet, then definitely the light plan, in my opinion, is enough, because you can connect one store and you can list over 50 products per month in that store. So that's plenty to test during the month. However, if you're already somewhat experienced and you already have one store that is doing well and you want to have more niches, then I would suggest to go with either starter plan or scaler plan, because you can connect more stores and basically test even more products at the same time. Whichever you choose, you're going to have 3 days free trial. So that's a good news, right? So in your case, this is going to say start your 3 days free trial. So when you click that, it's going to ask you a couple different questions, your email, name, etc., etc. So you can create your account. And after you create your account and confirm your email and everything else, you'll be taken to screen looking just like this. Now, bear in mind that maybe in the future, the look of this screen could change, obviously, as they, I don't know, maybe improve the design. But right now it looks just like this. Now, from here, the next thing you need to do is you need to connect Page Pilot to your store. However, in order to do that, you actually have to complete one more step, and it is to actually start the free trial. So when you click on shops right here, you're going to have 3 different choices of 3 different plans to get started. You have to choose one plan and then enter your credit card details to start this plan. You're not going to be charged right away. You're only going to be charged after 3 days. And if you don't like it within that 3 days, you can cancel the trial and you're not going to be charged at all. I have already done that for the purpose of this video. So after you do that as well, head to your account and then go to shops, and this is where you can actually start connecting your Shopify with Page Pilot, right? Now you're going to have very simple step-by-step instructions of how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is head to your store, go to apps right here, and then hit on apps and sales channels settings, right? Just as Page Pilot tells us right here, right? After you do that, click on next. Then what you need to do is click on develop apps, create app, and then name the app Page Pilot, right? So again, develop apps and then create app. So let's do that. So develop apps, allow app development, allow custom apps, and then create an app. Right here, I'm going to name it Page Pilot and hit on create app. Right, just as it says here. Okay, moving on to the next step, and this is very simple. It takes few minutes time. Click on configure admin API scope. So let's do that now. Configure admin API scopes, and then search and check for right product. So let's try that. So search for right products. So we need to select that. Then read product, right products, read products. I've already done that. Right, read products. Okay. Then write themes and read themes. Okay, so that's easy. Write themes and read themes, and then save. Right? Yes. Then hit save. What's next? Step number 4, install the app. So click on install right here, install. While this is installing, let's click on the next step. Click the reveal token once the text within the admin API access token panel. So reveal token, I suppose I need to copy it. This is your Shopify key. Copy it and connect to your store. Okay, so now Shopify key, this is where I paste it, and here the URL of my store, which is this URL right here, or actually that's not, because this is an admin one. So what you want to do here is go to your store, so preview your store, and that's the link to your store, right? So you have to preview it and then copy it. paste it here, connect. Let's do that. So delete the HTTPS, I believe, connect, and it is connecting. And there you go, my store is now connected. So that's it. You do this only once, and then you don't have to do this anymore for that store, right? So now let's list the product we want to actually promote. So that was the one we wanted to promote. So you copy the link of the product on AliExpress that you want to place in your store. Go back to page pilot. Again, click on generate page, AliExpress, paste the link of the product right there. Select language, which in most cases is in English, and then just click on generate. And there you go, it is now generating your entire product page. So it says it takes up to 3 minutes. The first time I actually tested it, it took me literally maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds and it was done. I guess it depends how many people are using it at any given moment. So let's just give it some time, and in a minute we're going to come back and review the page. Okay, so as you can see, 2 minutes later or whatever, we already have our product store, our product page already created. As you can see, it looks really, really good. It even included the reviews and stars. You have call to action, or not call to actions, but the benefits, bullet points benefits, which are very important when creating your pages, because you want to immediately convey the benefits of the product to your audience. And it just looks really, really cool. As you can see, it even has custom buttons which do correspond to my color themes of my store, which looks really, really cool. So the next thing you need to do is click on, oh, and by the way, if you don't like something and you want to change some things, maybe edit the text, change images or whatever, you can do that by simply clicking on this little pencil button, and then you can write whatever you want, change it. To be honest with you, when I first generated the page for my first product, I didn't change anything. I just liked it. It was very simple, very clean, and it was really, really cool. And this real people reviews is very important as well, because this is what helps you to convince people that you're a real brand. You know, the real people who were buying this product and stuff like that. You can change those images later on, because obviously, as you can see, those are stocked images, but it's not that necessary either, especially when you're just testing, right? Okay, so now I'm 100% happy with this look. The next thing I need to do is push this product page into my store. So to do that, you click on actions and click on import in Shopify. So when you click that, now you have two choices. You can either import it as a theme. So basically this entire product page, if you head to Shopify and you customize your store, right? Go to products. We don't have a product just yet, but you can create separate templates specifically for separate products, right? And this helps you to basically really design beautiful pages. But some people like to have just a standard default template, and then when designing product page, only design it as in the product description. So as you probably know, when you go to products, you create your product. So let's click on add product, just as an example to show you what I'm talking about. Add product. So then the other options you have, and some people choose to do that, is design the entire product page just by basically creating great description here. So not changing anything in the entire theme of the product page, but just adding the description. And Page Pilot helps you to choose between either creating separate sort of theme for the entire product, or just importing this entire product page that is just created as a product description, which again is right here. I highly recommend to use theme templates, only because it looks more professional in my opinion. I always have been using that, and it just looks really cool. And if you want to stand out from your competition, then you want to go that extra mile and not just play with product description, but actually create separate themes for each of the products. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm clicking that, I'm selecting that. Now here you need to select what theme you have, right? However, as you can see, I have my custom theme, which is basically my $190,000 Shopify theme, which is the very first theme I used with my first winning product. And I installed it in the store on purpose because I didn't want to give PagePilot a specific theme that I'm using. I wanted to really test it and see how well it's going to do with just any random theme. So that's exactly what I've done. Now, from this list, I'm going to select refresh theme because I believe that it is the closest to my actual theme, right? You probably, when you're creating your stores, you're going to probably work with a standard themes anyway that Shopify is giving you. So for example, the Dawn theme or whatever. So that shouldn't be a problem for you. In my case, I'm just gonna select the refresh. So then after you have everything set, hit on import product, and it's now literally transferring this entire product page into my store. It's going to take some time, so I'm going to skip the time and I'll show you what it looks like as a final sort of product page after everything is done. So now, ready? Let's check it out. So as you can see, this is the store that I have created, and look at this product page. Very clean, very beautiful. I didn't have to add any text, any images, literally nothing. It just looks really, really cool. You have the reviews right here. You have a name of the product. You have the benefits. Obviously, we don't have the price yet because you now have to go back here to products and edit it, right? So add whatever price you want to add, and if you want to add any more details or any more information, you can. But in my opinion, this looks this looks pretty cool, right? You can add your buttons there. It's invisible because it's probably still loading. My internet is pretty slow today. Nevertheless, you can go ahead and play with some colors, whatever. But as you can see, it looks pretty darn cool. And all I needed to do is just click few buttons. So go back to homepage. Now all I will need to do is connect those buttons right here that I created so that they redirect to the product page, and yeah, I'm ready for the tests. Now, hopefully you found this entire video very valuable. It's going to help you to speed up the process of testing new products for your stores and hopefully start making money very, very soon. If you did like it, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment down below, help me push this channel to more people and share my knowledge completely for free with more people all around the world. And at the same time, I would like to take this opportunity and invite you to my private Discord community where I'm basically interacting with you guys, and my team member Martin is helping you to find the right products and make the better decisions to start making money with dropshipping faster. Inside of this community, you're going to find plenty different Shopify themes, so you don't even have to create your new stores. You can just click it and install the themes in your new account and have highly converting stores ready within few clicks of the button together with the PagePilot, and you get a lot of other perks as well. So if that's something you're interested in and you would like to be part of this community, click on the link in the description of this video, and the same for the PagePilot. There's a link in the description of this video as well. So for now, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.